Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company. I want to show you one of our exotic, really interesting plants that we carry that you can get from our catalog in the seed form. So this is called a Peruvian ground cherry, and you're not going to find this in a big box store. You're not going to find this in just every seed catalog. It's a really neat plant, and it looks like a tomatillo, but tastes like a flavor explosion in your mouth. It's sweet, it's tart, it's just so flavorful. I can't even explain it. Oh my God, it's making my mouth water. And it grows really well in zones 9 and 10. As you can see here, this plant is ginormous. For us, it has perennialized, and it's actually on its 3rd growing season. It's a beautiful plant. It's very ornamental. It doesn't have a lot of pest issues. In fact, the plants have a little bit of like a kind of sticky feel, and I would bet that that sticky feel actually repels insects. It has a really great scent. It smells tropical and beautiful. It just really is a great plant for permaculture applications or food forests. So how do you grow it? Well, you can purchase the seeds from us, and they're very small seeds, but you can start them either directly or you can start them in little transplants. Because the seeds are so small, it really is a good idea, if you can, to start them in little small starter pots and transplant them out. Once you transplant them out, as long as they have access to some water, either by hand watering or by irrigation, they will grow and they will give you more fruit than you'll ever know what to do with. Now, much like tomatillos, you wait until they actually fall on the ground or until their outer skins burst. That's when you know they're at their peak flavor. We love making jams and jellies out of it, or dehydrating them is really good. Also, just coming out to the garden and popping a few in your mouth while you're working they're really delicious and refreshing. So these are called Peruvian ground cherries, and they're available in seed on our website.